Alright.
We already checked your blood, and I have some bad news. You have sickle cell anemia. I checked your blood oxygen, your BC, your hemoglobin, your serum potassium, and your sickle cell test, and you turned positive on all of them.
What is that?
Well, let me explain you. Let me explain you what it is. Look, this is what your normal blood cells. This is how your normal blood cell looks like, right? Okay.
Okay.
And it goes through the like the blood vessel like easily, like it goes through all your oxygen, like it's a main transport, and like all your nutrients go through there. And then your blood cell, but the sickle cell looks like this. It's really weak, and it's like it's hard to transport. Like it can get stuck in, like your normal blood cell, blood cell looks like this, but your vessel looks like this, but your blood cell would go like this easily, just through it. But the problem is, when you have the cells, the sickle disease, it would go like this, and it can get stuck in a lot of places. So that's how you get that disease. That's what the disease is called. And it blocks it, and you get disease.
But why do I have the disease?
Well, unfortunately, the disease is a trait, and both of your parents were carriers because it's a recessive trait, and none of them have it. And the sickle cell anemia is caused by a abnormal type of hemoglobin called a hemoglobin S. The hemoglobin S is a protein inside the red blood cell that carries oxygen. And this S hemoglobin changed the shape of the cell. It is fragile and it carries less oxygen. It can easily get stuck in some blood vessels, or it can break into pieces. And this can make you have a high blood pressure, and this would take less oxygen to the rest of your body. You can even get stroke sometimes.
Why did this happen to me?
Well, this disease is commonly found in African Americans, Caribbeans, and Hispanic, and obviously you're Mexican.
Is there any good part of it?
Well, there is good news, but it's not like a really big news. And it is that this disease, if you have this disease, like your blood cells don't have any nutrients and they're weak. So that means that you're protected against the parasite malaria because it doesn't, like, you don't have nutrients. So why would it get into it? You know. Alright, now I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna check your symptoms, and I'm gonna check what symptoms you have. Do you have fatigue?
Yes.
Are you paleness? Yes. Shortness of red?
Yeah.
Let me check your eyes. Yeah, they're yellow. Let me check your skin. Yeah, it's yellow. Pain in the joints?
Yes.
Swollen hands and feet?
Yes.
Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to have to make a blood transfusion, and I'll give you some pain medicine and antibiotics, and plenty of fluids.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, I'll see you in about 2 weeks.